What's up, YouTube? Welcome back. So, per usual, we're going to go over the expected moves for the week. I did have a peek at them. The stock market's pricing in just a tiny bit smaller of a week than we have been. I'm not aware of any crazy news this week. Nothing really popping off. We got inflation data. We got everything we need to, so we're good till September as far as that goes. We know that's the theme this year. Market loves the Feds right now. So nothing crazy other than stocks just keep going up. This week I'm looking for sideways action. Hopefully, stocks have gone up pretty. We got a pretty decent push. So just one quick piece of opinion on that for whatever it's worth. Everyone was so quick talking about all this money on the side and how money's gonna come in and blah 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 blah. Gotta buy the bottom. And if that really is the case, things are probably going to keep going up. There is money on the side pouring in. That's just buy orders. And so maybe a lot of uncertainty, or maybe just people feel more comfortable with this now. So that's why we're seeing a lot of this push up. I know it's been a huge relief just kind of playing the charts. Like a couple weeks ago, a few weeks at this point, we got a little off tilt. I just kept thinking the economy was so bad, and then I was taking short positions. But it's been great. Just looking at the charts, green candles, we're playing along. At this point, though, they've had quite a push up, so I'm thinking we need either pull over or pull back. It would be sweet if we did pull back. I would like a dip buy. With the push up, I had to cautiously swing bullish over the weekend. Like I told you guys last week, if we just run it up into the bell, I still got to swing bullish because that's just the trend. But if we pull back, then I'm really going to buy the dip. We never got the pullback. I'm hoping it happens Monday, so we can just make this thing blood red Monday. And then turn around Tuesday, everybody buys a dip, we're good to go. That's what I'm looking for. So we'll jump into the expected moves real quick. So Tesla expecting a $53 move. That's actually pretty normal. It's been like 52, 53 for the past few weeks now. All right, let's check out SPY really fast. All right, SPY 764. Now the bot position you see there again. We only collected $21 again. It was 1.5 times standard deviation, but now I had to do 2, so I'm collecting a few dollars less. But had I not done that last week would have been an L. So 818. That's still kind of smaller. As far as IWM goes, 505. Let's chart that out really quick. Yeah. So had we not done that last week, that would have been smoked. 1.5 would have put us right around, I think right around the 425, 426 levels. 425s are some I just personally had that hopefully you followed suit, because I talked about this in the mentorship. I said I got to close those. We closed those down. I did take a stupid loss on this, though. I was trying to play a pullback in the push up right here. So I sold the 425s thinking they would be next week. And I wasn't paying attention to my expiration. Sold them for that Friday. Same day expiration, 425s in the money, just being stupid. So I collected a good amount, but just took a stupid loss. Can you believe how dumb that was? How long I've been trading, and you still make stupid mistakes like that. Anyway. Had to be the most ridiculous loss I've taken in a while. Good thing I wasn't trying to go hard. Alright, so we got 764. Will that fit? Boom. Expiration the 19th. These are blue. Close enough. Alright. So there's SPY. It would just be really sweet if we could pull this thing back, chop it around for a week. Call it good. We'll talk about the futures when we get into the Don Fran Show live. Running right into that zone. So hopefully we find some sellers here. That would just be amazing. I'm going to set my alert here now just in case. But man, if we could just reject off that, smack this right here, I would buy that dip. Before we forget the numbers, let's talk about the Qs. Q stayed all inside. 818. We're going to fudge that, call it good. Remember, these are not support and resistance levels. If you don't understand it, you'll probably try to play them as such, but they are not it. I do have a video about it all in the playlist called How I Trade. We'll get you up to speed on that. I do have a video coming out, so I don't know what channel I should put it on. I guess I should put it on this one. But the colors of my zones and the different meanings they have. I did not realize how many people didn't know what those meant. Is that two different blues? Hang on. Weird. Yeah, my OCD will pick up on that. I will not like that. Hang on. That is not. Got to be the same. Or someone's going to say, hey, why is that one different? I'm going to look at him like he's stupid, and then really I'll be the idiot. Alright, so as far as Qs, let's wrap that back up. Man, we are just pricing in a higher low. That's literally all we're doing. We've been on such a great trend up. You know what? Let's just in case tech wants to get a little weird, let's draw 2 standard deviations. Last time I did this, it was just like a curse. We just melted right up anyway, so. Sounds like my groceries are here. Yeah, if the Qs could get down there, I'd buy the dip for sure. The only alarming thing about that is if the Qs did go to 2 standard deviations, I'd buy the dip for the snap up, but does that put in a lower high and we started leg down? You know, multiple leg down would be, not multiple leg, a multiple day leg. We need an actual pullback. That'd be nice. But if we're grinding up and it looks like this, those red days are your dip buys. Okay, this is what I would want. Like a few days, couple weeks, a week. Oh, that'd be cool. Let's check it out on the weekly before we get too far ahead. Yeah, weekly just turn and burn. Had a nice little base and then just sent it. Yeah, pull back down here would be all right. We already have that drawn out. On the NASDAQ. Hang on. This one, that's why that makes more. So I'm going to explain this one, and now it makes more sense. So that was like a giant zone, but now I get it. It's a weekly zone, but we broke it down because we played a lot of the back and forth game into 2 zones inside here. So explain this makes a little more sense as to why I was seeing that. So to not confuse you guys any further, hopefully that video coming out where I explain the colors, that should make sense to you. If you don't know, it's coming out. Alright, IWM was the 505 move. Wow. IWM just said, let's go. Where's the, never mind. IWM just came out and said it's time to party. And it did just that. 505. So there's our expected moves for the week. I don't know why we wouldn't turn around, other than overbought territory, some profit taking, maybe some shorts pile in. But a pullback or pulling over, in my opinion, is still bullish. Still time to buy the dip. We haven't seen anything otherwise, so a red day would just be, like people say, a gift. As much as I hate to say that, but take it while they're there. Do you really want to fight this thing all the way back up? Because, so I did it for a week or a couple weeks. It was stupid. On this move up, how long do you want to just say this is dumb, the economy's still crap, inflation's still high? Like, how long do you want to say that? And at what point are you going to turn that ship around? Because do you really want to just be a spit away from all-time highs thinking, okay, I guess I will buy? You're going to buy the next peak. So, if you get a red day, let's rock and roll. Anyway, I'll wrap it up here. Hopefully I'll see you guys on the Don Franz show. Come with your questions, your comments, all of it. I do it live just to talk to you guys. But let me know in the comments down below. You bullish, bearish. If you want to join my mentorship group, that is a teachable link. There are new levels, by the way, to the YouTube membership. So the teachable link is the trading suite. If you buy that, you have every video, everything. You're invited to the chat, the daily streams. all of that. But I did add a level 3, which I'm going to make a video talking about this. A level 3 is just those live streams every day. You don't get to the chat or anything like that, but if you're curious what the streams look like, or you're never going to be in the chat anyway, then that would be a good level for you. Anyway, so check that out. That is on my other channel, Don Franz Show. So just subscribe to both. I'll see you guys in the next video.